everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a Yahoo account. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create a Yahoo account, go click open a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in yahoo.com and search. Yahoo is an American web service provider which is headquartered in California and it is owned by Verizon Media. It provides a web portal, search engine, Yahoo Search, and related service including My Yahoo, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Sports, and much more. In order to create an account from the official website, click on the Sign In button. Now, in the sign in box, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your username, email, or your mobile number and click on Next button in order to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet and you would like to create a new one, click on Create an Account and register yourself by filling in your information in the sign up box. Start by entering your first name and then your last name on the next. Enter your email address that you would like to use for your Yahoo account in the text box. Once you do that, move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password since you'll be using this password every time you sign into your account. If you want to double check, click on this Show button at the right corner. Reveal your password and then on the next field, choose your country code from the drop-down. Type in your mobile number on the next field and enter your date of birth information by choosing from the drop-down. Now, type in your gender in the text box below. Since it's an optional, you can skip typing in your gender as well. Now, finally click on Continue. Verify your phone number by clicking on Text Me a verification code and you'll be receiving a code on your mobile number. Once you do, type it in the text field and click on Verify. After you're done, click on Done and there you go. You have successfully created a Yahoo account with just few simple steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.